So one of the things is trying to figure out how to set all the pieces. I just glued down this, and so it's a little bit higher than this. I'm trying to figure out if I should make that even, creating this little gap, or if I just make this come down a little bit and move the shapes over here. One thing that people don't realize is that my curriculum reading by design is actually hand done, meaning I have to individually cut all of these flashcards and put them into decks. Hey, if you've been wondering where have you been for the last few months, this video is for you. And guess what? I'm back! And I want to share with you what's been happening behind the scenes and why I really actually never truly left you in the first place.
Right.
So what have I been up to? Well, I have been pouring every single thing I have into completing the Reading by Design Phase 2 curriculum, and let me tell you, it needed all of my attention, all of my knowledge, my wisdom, my efforts, and you guys, we made it! It is done! Now, if you're not familiar with Reading by Design, this is the blending curriculum that takes your child from sounding out individual letters all the way to confidently reading words and sentences. And it is all grounded in the science of reading research and also incorporates biblical resources. You can check out all the details at everythingaja.com/readingbydesign, or you can go directly to the Phase 2 curriculum at everythingaja.com/blending curriculum. To everybody that has already ordered Reading by Design Phase 2, I just want to personally say thank you, thank you, thank you. It truly means everything to me to have your support. Each kit that I pack is a prayer that God will use it to build confidence in your child who might be struggling right now, but not for long. I think I like that more because it breaks up the paper. Whoop, whoop. Here we go. Let's just be real for a second. You know how like you just get to the point where you are overwhelmed. Like your to-do list is so long that you just freeze. You don't do anything. That's literally what happened to me and YouTube. The mental overload of always trying to upload stuff, the anxiety of trying to show up perfect every single time, it just became overwhelming. And I realized something very, very important. I needed to step back from content creation, but I never stepped back from you. I never stepped back from serving families just like yours who trust me to help them teach their children to become confident readers. Alright, so you gotta ignore the mess. So here's what's been happening to me lately. I've been busy. Last week alone, I shipped out 2 Reading by Design kits to some amazing mamas, shout out to you girl, who were ready to transform their children's reading journey. And this week, you see what I'm doing, completing orders. I have to finish up a Reading by Design Phase 1 kit, mail that out, and right now I'm working on a custom order for a very special mom who requested 2 learning binders, 1, 2, and then 1 customized learning board. Let's talk about intentional teaching. Hold on, let me just cut these out real quick. Beyond just working on the Reading by Design curriculum, I've been traveling for business, pouring into Anointed Living Ministries. For those that don't know, I'm actually an elder and minister, so I run an entirely different YouTube channel, Anointed Living Ministries, in which I preach and teach the gospel each and every weekday morning at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. So as you can imagine, it takes up a lot of my time. And then of course, I've been spending some much needed quality time with my family. And you know what? I don't want to apologize for it. There's no excuses. They're just priorities that align with everything that I teach you guys. I'm always constantly telling you, you cannot pour from an empty cup. So I had to take some time, pour into my cup before I showed right back here on YouTube and poured back into you. If I'm going to encourage you to create a balanced lifestyle, to prioritize your family, to integrate faith into your teaching and everything you do, then quite frankly, I have to do the same and I have to live it out also. Even if it means taking a step away from the camera for a little season, I just had to do it and I hope you understand. But here's the truth. I'm back. I'm back. Not because I have it all figured out. I definitely do not have it all figured out. But I really miss connecting with you guys. I miss doing this. I miss reading your comments. I miss hearing what's going on with you. I miss encouraging you. I miss all the things, okay? And I know that there are moms out there right now who feel overwhelmed, who worry about their child falling behind when it comes to reading, who need to know that they are not alone in their journey. And if that's you, you've been trying random YouTube videos, Pinterest worksheets, hoping that something eventually will click with your child. I see you, girl. I see you. And I am here to walk alongside you with a structured, faith-based plan that actually works. So let me tell you, if you've been waiting on a sign to just start teaching your child to read with confidence, this is it. This is your sign. Reading by Design Phase 1 and Phase 2 are both ready. They're ready, I'm ready, and I cannot wait to support you on this journey. In fact, drop a comment down below and let me know what has been your biggest reading struggle right now? Like literally today. What is that thing that keeps you up at night? Is it your child guessing at words? Is your child confusing their letters? Do you feel like your child is losing confidence when it comes to reading? Every time you say, it's time to read, baby, they go, I don't want to. Tell me down below in the comments where you are as of right now. I've missed hearing from you, and I promise y'all, I respond to every single comment. Now, while you're commenting down below in the comments, let me finish this order for this mama, and I will see you in the next video. And once again, I'm